The wife of Surajit Debbarma lodged a missing diary in the police station after she could not able to find her missing husband for a month. Surajit Debbarma is a resident of Takmachora ADC village, Koroi Chandra Village, under Sandirbaja police station.
Ang bono nogo kipil phaiteng bon phone number je manai bon ang phone number jam je nungnai bono ksa ano phone khainai refill khlaidi mine ang saja phone number jabon phone number je nungnai ro ano kisa sari ge sa mak thamgna ke bo hati busa khibu nai ba hati thang jongoi busa bolo na ba ki sar nai bo khibi kalang thangmani yaglo.
A person named Surajit Debbarma went to Ras Mela Fair on the past 28th November at around 8 p.m. at night. However, it has been a month. Now Surajit Debbarma has not yet returned home. Surajit Debbarma is a resident of Takmachora ADC village, Koroi Chandra Village, under Santirbaja police station. He has a son and 2 daughters. Now the mother of 3 children is worried how to live and raise them in the future. After searching everywhere all day and night, she lost a missing diary of her husband in Manfatar police station on Wednesday. She further allegedly said that her husband used to talk to other girl.
Surajit Debbarma.
Surajit Debbarma. Noro kaijak mani busuk basorong khaba busuk amorong kha.
Kaijak mani 10-12 orang.
10-12 bachor. Nung tam ba bono te.
Ang bono bo onyo buri be kok saung kang ke angka nung taman bagi hai eng nogo serai rok to mo serai khorok tam tong nung taman hai eng nong nok hake khile bo kagos khayan hin thang ang ke serai rong bar certificate khlaite ke bo hai ngi thang ke angka nung taman nin mobile jung nung off hen nung silent mobile khilai to ni borong ma samang ni phai kang ke phun bui phun khlai man pujo phun disi phaya ke bono salsa hai ka bo ang hai ka ta phun disi phai di bui phun phai kang ke nung tam phun disi phaya ke bo ni phun disi phaya ke phun silent ni to ke angka tam phun silent ni ton ban nung bui be kok sayang ke angka ta asibo ang phun silent ni to hai pa nang phun saya ke angka ma borong ma samang ni phun khai ke ba phun disi bui phun khlai man ba ke sinai ba ni ke bo ni tam phun disi khlai ni khlai atong to hai ni ke bo hai mobile na hai logi to ni ke baba hai ni pro mobile bo hai ton bero nya ke maro mo wa shu ke bo phun phan ta hingka ke phun si hawa bera liya ke angka nunga to den la ke phun dong bera to baga nai ke to ke nung ha ke saman kri ke nung buri ba hang man kri ke nung saman baga hai ke mobile na log ti tong ta bo ni ke bo no ang buri ba jong ke nung buri ba tong ke nung kagos khain bar mat ba ke to tong nya nung ha ke bo kagos khain thabur ba ke tong saltam salburi ha ke tong phai ke angka nung bor tong ke bo bon ba sinar tong hi sao bislang on do bon ba tong lo mo ko abo ko bislang on do lok hinya
Bo buri bai bo obo hai tong ba nung sai manai da ba
ang buri bai tong man sai
khawar
mi
man khata ha
ang buri bai tong man sai mi ke salsa bo phun nogo phai man dina ang singka bo kagos khlai bon ten dina phai ga ke bo no ang bo da tong hisman ke bo bon bai chun nogo tong hisang ke do bai chun nogo salsa tong ke nung salnai saltam bor da tong hinka ke bo hai no ang ba jan tong bai ko narang ke sal non salsa si ta khusaran non salnai saltam na ta khusari ke bo no ang je jan phutung thun tam dor ban tam khusna tang ke ang mana nai no nung khotar se biang ro der thang ke bihi busang man dana khusma na nai ke bo tam khusna thai
tini jora koi dinung kha
tini kakha khini busro
ek masro unai da
ek mas ro kakha asro kaza bo thangman kuduma ras melan ska khurman bo.
In the end, she requested wherever and whoever saw his husband Surajit Debbarma to please kindly inform her. Reporter by Bikram from Santirbaja, Chini, Khorang.